You want to hold the fishing rod? You hold the fishing rod. We're gonna go fishing, huh?
Yeah.
Come on! Away we go, away we go. Oh wait, we gotta get worms. We gotta get worms. Here, show me the worms. We just got some more worms. Good job, let's go. Come on. A little old-fashioned fishing. We got a couple worms. Show me the other worm. Woohoo! What are the fishes gonna do?
Eat them.
Yeah. Not yet, not yet. It's getting bit. What are you doing, Joan? What are you doing? Ah. I think you got one. Reel, 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 reel.
Reel, 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 reel.
Woohoo! Reel, 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 reel. Oh, you got a bass. Elijah, you got a bass. Woohoo! That is awesome. That's your first bass. Good job. That's your first bass. How cool is that?
And then after my bait.
Yeah, come here. Joni. There's a hook over there. You got another one. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, you caught another fish. It's a little brim.
I like holding them.
You like holding brims?
Yeah.
Jonah.
Hold them. Hold them.
Mm-hmm.
Here.
Flippity floppity flip. You can throw them back. Woohoo!
Wow.
This is amazing. We've caught more fish in 3 minutes than we have in all the previous times in our pond in 2 hours of fishing. Oh yeah? All right. We gotta go get some more worms.
Reel.
Reel! You got one! Whoa! Careful, careful, careful! Good job. You got 3 fish. Holy moly, that's another nice one, huh?
Yeah.
Good job. Want to kiss it?
No.
No? Maybe you should. Yep, I think you got something. Good job. Woohoo! Watch out for Joni. Ah! Good job. You caught 4. How many have you caught?
4.
Holy moly. I am super stoked that you caught your first. What did you catch your first of? No. What kind of fish?
A black shooting fish.
No, a bass. Can you say a bass?
A bass.
A bass is right. That's super exciting. I didn't expect for him to catch a bass tonight. Joan, did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you have a good time? I think you did.